Been looking for a new way to organize the bags. So I got this one. It's a 10-piece set. Let's go ahead and carefully open up the plastic. This is how it ships, kind of compact. And what's cool is I'm just guessing they're zipped up inside each other here. So we'll pull them out of the packaging that they came in. We got some thank you and instructions there. So these are compression packs. The way that's going to work is you have a zipper to get in and out of the bag, but then you also have this compression zipper. So let's say that I put all the stuff in the bag and it was taking up this much space, right, kind of thick. So what I can do is I can push it down, right? It's a bunch of clothes or whatever. I'll push it down and start to zip this zipper. And as I push down and squeeze all that clothes and stuff together and can zip the zipper all around, now I've taken that thick bag and turned it into this thinner bag. So what was in that bag to make it thick? Let's take a look. So we've got these easy to use zippers. We got mesh bags. Everything's nice and sewed well. But we've got 10 different bags in here. So it's a 10-piece set. So this first one here is, this must be the toiletry set. Hook to hang it. Got hook and loop to hold it together. And places to put all different kinds of toiletries. Then we've got, looks like a big laundry bag. That's machine washable, so if you're going to be throwing that whole thing into the wash, you can do that. Got a couple of small bag there. Kind of a hanging bag for shoes, I suppose. Now we've got a second one like this one, just a little bigger it looks like. And each of these are labeled, so if you want to use them this way, you can keep track of what they are, because they're all going to look pretty uniform once they're open. Another one that's exactly the same as that one. A third, so that's basically designed to have like your daily clothes in those. Looks like a fourth one of that style. Now another one that's even larger for pants and jackets and things. And then we have this smaller one for your under business. So I really like this set and I'm looking forward to using it. This is going to work in all different sizes of luggage as well. Hope this helps.